The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra design is here. In this video, we will be discussing about every single design detail about the S23 Ultra, S23 and S23 Plus to give you an idea what to expect in terms of the design of the S23 series. But before going into the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell notification to get the latest video notification with you. Now let's begin the video and starting with the design of the S23 Ultra and start with the bottom of the device. Here we have the S Pen slot, and when we compare it with the S22 Ultra S Pen, you will notice that it is going to be a slightly bigger in the S23 Ultra as compared to S22 Ultra. So this means that we can expect to see a new S Pen in the S23 Ultra, but fingers are crossed right now. We have to wait and see up till the official announcement whether it's going to be happening or not. Now the second major upgrade you can expect from the S23 Ultra will be the flat display. Although it's not going to be as flat as the S23 and S23 Plus, it's going to be slightly curved on the edges, but still it's going to be much flatter when we compare it with the S22 Ultra. The side of the S23 Ultra are going to be rounded as compared to the S22 Ultra. Now, the S23 Ultra is going to be a little bit thicker, and we already know that the thickness is because of the new 200 megapixel camera sensor that is going to be coming for the S23 Ultra. One of the things that you will notice on the back of the device, we have the same quad camera setup on the back side, but the lenses are going to be a little bit bigger as compared to S22 Ultra because of these new 200 megapixel sensor, and also the other camera sensor has been upgraded, so expect to have a better video and photo qualities. Now another thing to be noted here that the camera bump on the back side is going to be less protrude outside, and they are a little bit in the body of the device, and the thickness of the lenses on the back is going to be less as compared to the previous generation. Now this is for the S23 Ultra. When we compare the S22 and S22 Plus, they both are going to be coming with a different camera sensor on the back side. Instead of having a camera island on the back side, we now have a single camera lenses just like the S23 Ultra to give you a newer look for the device and making the series to completely look similar in terms of the camera sensor. Now the added feature for the S23 Ultra will be the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 that is coming for the S23 Ultra device, which will make the device even harder and better in terms of the durability and scratch resistance. Like this Gorilla Glass Victus 2 has been performed in a lab test by dropping it from 1 meter on a hard surface, and it was more durable than the last year Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So definitely expect to have a better durability for the S23 series overall. Now this Gorilla Glass Victus 2 is not only going to be present on the front of the device, but also the back camera sensor glass are also going to be made with this Gorilla Glass Victus. Now this is very good because it will protect the 200 megapixel camera sensor and the other sensors, the scratches, and also it's going to be give you better quality of images in low light. So I'm really excited about that particular device. Now as far as the launch date, the S23 series is going to be expected to be coming in the February 1st in San Francisco. Now this is going to be a week earlier than the S22 Ultra launch date, and just after a week that you will get the device in your hand because pre-order will be started at the same day. You will get a $200 credit in some arcades, and you will also have some other gifts alongside with the pre-order. So definitely if you are looking to buy a new device, then the S23 Ultra will be packing some incredible hardware and software. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.